banger, banger.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for joining us, thank you for stopping by, thank you for always stopping by at the real G. So this video is going to be a bit chaotic, maybe not that chaotic, but I'm gonna try. But I'm making my hair today. I'm just going to be doing mini twist, not okay, there's micro twist and there's mini twist, so let me just say mini twist. And I'll be using this series on my hair because I want to add an extension. I want color. So I'm using this color and color 350 series expression. So let's start the hair journey. It's gonna be a long one by the way, so I'm not going to show you guys every single thing. The first thing we're going to be doing is to portion our hair, is to divide our hair into 4 equal parts. Not equal, but 4 parts. Don't mind if I'm not looking at the lens. There's a camera, there's a mirror in front of me, so I want to use that to like do the right angle. Just going to finish this up off camera. See you guys. So next thing I'm going to do is just to like sort this whole this. I really don't want to cut this rubber, but this rubber is just annoying. This is one. If I use this one, it's going to be too long, and I don't want it to be too long. So I'm just going to divide this stuff into 2. Yeah. Is it too short? I really don't know. But there's nothing I can do. I'm going to use it like that. So I added the rosemary and cloves oil into my leave-in conditioner. So if you have not watched that video, you can watch it because hair is not a joke. Hair is natural, so imagine how strength it is. So if you don't watch it, go and watch the video. So I joined the 2 puff down, so it will be easy for me when cutting.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Hey guys, update. So at this point, I'm scared. I'm scared that the color is not going to turn out well. I'm not the type that usually do colors and all this, so I'm scared that it's not going to turn out well. It's like, but anyways, update. I've done like, you should like water out the hair, I guess. So I'm just going to show you guys in a minute.
But let me leave the way that it's happy. You should think of joy. Be proud of me. Be proud of me.
So that's the thing with making your hair by yourself. You before you're done with it, just so that different thoughts will run through your head. Am I wasting my time? Are you sure I'm not wasting my time? Are you sure I shouldn't lose it? Like, is this right? Anyways, yeah, let's continue. I started it. This is not like the first time doing myself. I'm just scared. This is like the first time doing music colors by myself. At this stage in my life. I remember using like attachments, glue attachments to make my hair. But then I was not that good then, so it was not that good. I'm not that good yet, but at least I know I study, I try. But anyways, let's continue. Hi guys, I will see you guys. I think it's when I'm done with this step by step process. We're getting there. Fine, Sha. Hi, update. I think it's beginning to look. I don't know if it's just me, but.
Then it's part of me, fuck society. Fuck you wanna be, fuck your hypocrisy.
The whole load focus on me. I'm traveling, so I'm like sorting some things out and all that. So let's continue the hair. I have to be done with it by evening so I can back.
But if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only know me lonely. Music chose me, just know this and know me. I dey low key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine for me slowly.
Like 6 p.m. already. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I'm hungry. You can see I'm sweaty. My tan since have gone in the mirror. That's true. So I didn't tell you guys what I'm doing to keep myself busy. If I'm watching a movie, Beloved Summer, K-drama.
Them know me.
I'm so happy that I'm done. I'm loving the look. I think the red looks. It's kind of giving like ginger red. I don't know if it's just my eyes or like a very bright brown. I really don't know, but I like this color. And I do feel it fits my face. I don't know if it's just me, but it really fits my face. But I'm done. Like I've spent like 5 to 6 hours with this hair, and I'm done. I'm so happy. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. Ignore my face. I'm going to like do a proper video once I'm all settled and glammed up. Not glammed up, but at least glammed up. Now I feel sweat. Anyways, I'm done. If you're watching this end, thank you very much. Please leave a comment. Just type G. Type G. If you're watching this end, just type G, because wait to watch this end, listen to my shenanigans on my hair. Thank you so much, and The hair is not really like a do it yourself, but it's not like I did like, I don't know, not like I taught you guys how to do it. But if it was helpful to you, that's a good thing, right? This is new for me. Should I do? I think we should only try and do like a thumbnail.